Hey everyone, I'm Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts, and welcome aboard BEJUL, a 2021 Princess V40. Come take a look. The V40 Princess has all the features you would expect to find in a cruising boat of this size, inclusive of a hydraulic swim platform, plenty of storage here on the aft deck, a nice safety door that will close off to keep small pets or kids tucked away safely inside, and a beautiful open concept as you can see here in the main cockpit. A nice wraparound seat that will seat 6 comfortably with a table that will expand for alfresco dining. To starboard is a summer kitchen, inclusive of an insulated and refrigerated cool box to keep your drinks nice and cool, an electric cooktop grill with a vessel sink, trash bin to one side, and plenty of storage here underneath as well to keep everything nice and tucked away. A beautiful teak deck throughout, and a nice one step up to a port side lounge seat, which is probably the best seat here on the boat to be able to lounge and relax, and twin captain's chairs here at the helm. Here at the helm of the 40 Princess BEJUL, as you can see everything nice and cleanly laid out. You do have a Raymarine multifunction display, all of your Raymarine diagnostics here for your engines, and then this boat does include both port and starboard cameras to be able to give you good visibility when you're pulling your way into the dock. This does include a bow thruster, your Volvo controls, bow thruster, VHF, so as you can see everything nicely, cleanly laid out right in front of you. Great visibility with the big windows on the side, and just a very comfortable place to be able to operate the boat. And what's great in the express cruiser style boat like this is the weather protection that you have. So if you get caught in the storm, you have full glass windows all the way around the main cockpit, keep everybody nice and tucked away from the elements. And a great feature as well is a powered sunroof. If you have a nice day and you want to let the boat open up and breathe, power the sunroof back and enjoy your cruise. As we work our way downstairs here aboard the V40 Princess, this boat gives you everything that you need to be able to stay overnight for a long weekend. With 2 dedicated staterooms, a full proper galley here to starboard, and a nice settee here to port, you can see that this gives you everything that you need to be able to also get away from the heat if you wanted to take a little break downstairs. A great feature too is here around the settee you do have a filler cushion. So if you drop this table down, this actually will create an additional berth. So if you wanted to sleep 2 in the twin, 2 in the forward master, and an additional 2 here, you could accommodate 6 guests overnight. This boat has never been slept in, and here forward you have an island berth for the owner's cabin. Nice whole side windows to allow plenty of natural light in, and private access into the single head aboard with separate shower. Here in the galley, you do have a refrigerator, a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, and plenty of storage, all backlit by the natural light of that big whole side window. And here midship is where you'll find our twin beds with their own privacy door. 1 relief step down, you have a double wide seat here where you can sit, relax, and enjoy the open ocean. Up here at the bow, you have great access to your ground tackle with foot controls for your windlass anchor. You do have 2 sun pads up here as well with integrated cup holders, big high bow rail for safety, and a great point to be able to just sit up here and relax. Thank you for joining us aboard this 2021 Princess V40 BEJUL. My name is Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts. Feel free to reach out directly to schedule your private showing.